What's up, Monae Mob? Welcome or welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be doing this wig install. This is a 30-inch, yes, 30 inches, 5x5 wig from Alipearl. This video is not sponsored. I bought this wig with my own money. This is actually my graduation wig. I call it my graduation wig. This is Brazilian straight hair. And I definitely bodied this, like the edges, the melt, the everything. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this, then keep on watching. But before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell for post notifications to be notified every time I post. And make sure you guys are following me on my social medias. Instagram, I am.Kyla with 2 eyes, am.Kyla, Snapchat, well, Kyla_Monae. And yeah, like, let's get into this install. Hey y'all, as I mentioned before, this hair is from Alipearlhair. I will make sure to link this wig in the description box below so you guys can check it out. This is a 5x5 lace closure wig and it's 30 inches. It's also 180 density. And in my opinion, I think this wig was thin, but it wasn't as thin. You know, the longer the hair is, the thinner it is. But I think I finessed this by doing a side part to make it look more fuller. And I also went off camera and bleached and plucked the knots and dyed the hair. I already have a lot of videos like that on my channel, and I will link those in the cards above so you guys can check some of that stuff out. First things first, I like to go on my Got To Be glue gel and gel my edges back, honey. I want to gel those things back so the chances of my edges being ripped out are slim to none. We want to secure our edges at all times. Ooh, la, la, la. Ooh, la, la, la. Ooh, la, la. Ooh, la, la. So once I'm done gelling my edges back, I'm going to stretch on my cap and, pull my cap down to around my ears and on my forehead. And I'm just going to start cutting out holes around my ears to create this ball cap method, or to start, the ball cap method process. Now I'm about to take my Got To Be glue free spray and spray that on my hairline. I went off camera and let it dry. So now I'm just about to cut the excess wig cap, and I'm just going to customize it to my hairline. And also, I'm not trying to cut it too far back because I don't want my edges to be exposed. So real quick, I'm about to show you guys the construction of this wig. It has 3 combs in it, 1 in the back and 2 on the sides. This wig is a 5x5 lace closure, like I mentioned before. So there are 5 inches apart in space, vertically and horizontally. So now that I have my wig placed on my head, I'm just about to go in and make sure that I cannot see my wig cap through my wig. So it's all about placement and, how I'm going to place the glue. So now I'm just trying to see how I'm about to, place it. So now I'm about to go in with my boho active. I did about 7 layers of this. I do my layers very thin, but I spread them out wide so that the glue can, spread a little bit more. And the key thing is to wait till each layer dry clear, okay? Make sure that dries so clear like you can barely see it, because if it's dry and white, then it's going to show through the lace, and you don't want that. Now it's time to lay that lace down. When you are doing this, you want to make sure that you are laying that lace on top of the glue. Not behind it, not before it, on top. And you want to make sure that you press down very firmly. And you want to make sure that you go in with a ragtail comb or any kind of comb and comb in a back motion. This just helps to give you that further melt that you're looking for. Off camera, I did go ahead and part out my edges. Now I'm about to go ahead with this elastic band and tie this hair down. While my hair has been tied down, I like to just go ahead with a slick stick of any kind. It really doesn't matter, but I like this one. I prefer this one. I swear by this one. This is my most favorite one. If y'all got some more options, put them down, put me on. But I promise you, a slick stick is the key to a slick install. Like, if you don't want your install looking like a wig, use a slick stick. A slick stick with a hot comb. I'm telling y'all, on the highest setting, it's going to get slick. So now I'm just hot combing this hair down. And y'all already know how I do with the elevation. I'm always trying to get some type of elevation going. And slick stick also brings that shine to a hair if it doesn't have it already. This one I do. Sometimes I also like to go in with the hair with a heat protecting. You can skip this step. I just like to make sure that I'm protecting the weave by all means, because if your hair is real and you keep on flanneling it or hot combing or adding heat to it, it's going to get fried out. And just to prevent that, I like to use a heat protectant. And it also, gives some more shine. I don't get time, Dada cover my face, calling me Biggie man, baby. Okay, y'all, this is something new that I've been put on to. My sister put me onto this. This is the She Silk Fusion. And you only need a little damn drop size amount of this, because a little goes a long way. When I say you put this on your hair, flying on your hair, baby, your hair gonna be silky, okay? It's like, if you add too much, your hair is gonna be oily. But I just went in with a little, and y'all, watch it work. I went in with my Baby Bliss, and y'all, look at the magic. Just watch it. So I'm just going to go ahead with my paddle brush that out. Then I'm going to go in with my flannan in combination with my ragtail comb and just flannan that on down until it's nice and silky. So I just decided to cut off this elastic band, y'all, because I put it on too tight and I could not get that knot out, y'all. I was struggling. And it was such a relief to have that off because, y'all, I feel like it was cutting off the circulation of my head. So now I'm about to take this eyebrow razor and, begin cutting off this lace. But before I do that, I'm just going to go in with my scissors and cut this lace into half. I like working in sections. So now I'm about to go section by section and cut this lace off. Coffee at the right time, baby. Oh, I was at the end. Make me feel like I did that well, it? Let me feel alive, oh yeah. Tell me on my side, baby, where would I be without your love? Beside me, oh, baby, where would I be? Why we go? Oh, 'cause it feels like CPR. 'Cause it feels like CPR. Baby, let me get back. Know there's something stand you up. I don't wanna talk about it. No one understands it. You're the only one that can find to falling on it. So now I'm about to take some Got To Be Glue free spray and just spray my lace down, just to get a further melt. It's something about Got To Be Glue products that just gives you that further melt. Like, oh my gosh, y'all, it gave me that melt I was looking for. I'm also going to use some of that Got To Be Glue gel because, y'all, them two products together are magical, like magical. So now I'm about to part out my edges for real this time. And I like my edges to look thick but thin at the same time. I don't know how to describe it, but y'all will see what I'm doing. So I'm just parting out my edges. I'm parting out some front edges and some side edges, just to give it a little more oomph. One thing I like to do now is just to flat iron or hot comb or any hot tool I get that's around me. I like to, press out my edges to train them to go to the front. So now I'm about to use my eyebrow razor again. I'm about to just cut my edges to my liking. I like them to be short but not too short. It just gives off a more natural vibe and a natural look in my opinion. I don't like my edges to be too long because, yeah, that's just not the look I go for. So now I'm about to go in with some Got To Be Glue gel and just lay down my edges. In my opinion, this works best for edges when it comes to a lace or any type of weave, because if you was to use mousse, it's just going to come up. Yes, it gives you that soft baby hair look, but mousse makes it's something about mousse in the lace or something like that. It just makes the lace come up quicker. If I was to use some type of jam or edge control, it's going to get greasy and not lay down. It'll lay down for like 5 minutes, come up the next. So I don't get time for that. I just use my Got To Be Glue gel, slick it, and bada bing, bada boom.
Taco Tuesday, I got the cheese, she tasting the Kool-Aid. We go to the club with a soup, she gon' do what the cooks like a Brinde. Caliente, she get the bad, but she gotta get it 10 ways. Okay, now analyze, what the money make it elevate. Shanae, like she on the runway. With the payday, when she get the comfy. I'ma see the one tequila in the Bombay. Seen in the corner, sack of one way. She won't hurt the bus, take her off her skirt, put in work, put your name on the skirt. Need diamond, get the working like the flirt.
So now I'm about to take some Got To Be Glue Free spray and just spray that on the front of my hair just to give it the elevation, just to mold it back and help it give the elevation. I did not lay some edges in the front for no reason, so I'm just trying to get the elevation so I can show off them edges.
On the shirt, have never given way since birth. My name Jose. It's a long line at the doorway. Serving taco, getting with the nacho, fucking with a bad vibe, but she go both ways. Turn up the racks with the show days. I never ever see a broke day. Looking to the eyes of the go face. The gang in the real, it's a four way. Taco Tuesday, I got the cheese, she tasting the Kool-Aid. We go the plug by the Lupe. She gon' do what the groups like a Brende. Caliente, she get the bad, but she gotta get it 10 ways. Okay, now analyze. What the money make? We can elevate. Taco Tuesday, I got the cheese, she tasting the Kool-Aid. We go the plug by the Lupe. She gon' do what the groups like a Brende. Caliente, she get the bad, but she gotta get it 10 ways. Okay, now analyze. What the money make? We can elevate. Janae like she on the runway. It's a payday, but she get the comfort. I'ma see the what's a killer in a Bombay. Try speeding in the cul-de-sac of one way. She won't perk, but she take.
So I'm getting ready to take off this elastic band. And y'all, oh, that really did hurt though. But not for real though. Y'all, look at this. This is giving very much scalpiana. Matter of fact, like, stop playing with me when it comes to this hair stuff. Because 9 times out of 10, baby, it's gonna be fine. Like, it's giving what it's supposed to be gave. Like, y'all, when it comes to this hair stuff, do not play with me. Like, I'm not a goat, but I'm fat. Like, I always come correct, and that's on Mary Had a Little Lamb. Stop playing with me. In this clip, I just really wanted to show y'all, like, how long this hair is on me. Like, it's on my booty, but, like, it was really giving inches. Like, stop playing with the girl. Like, it's the health lift for me. I know y'all just think that, but for real, though, this hair is so raw. Like, y'all, this hair is so fat. Like, I'm speechless right now. Like, it's so soft, so silky. If y'all want some nice, soft, long, silky hair, go get y'all some Alipearl hair, y'all. And y'all, I promise y'all won't regret it. Go get y'all some Alipearl hair right now. Right now, y'all. I murdered this install. Like, this might be my best install yet. I don't know. Like, it's like, it feel like I'm getting better by the install. Like, stop playing with me. Y'all, go get y'all some Alipearl hair and just go get y'all some Alipearl hair for real. Y'all, this is basically the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it as much as I enjoyed doing this install. Like, it's the slayage for me. Like, I don't even think that's a word, but it don't even matter at this moment because, y'all, I murdered this install. I don't care what nobody say. And that's what Mary Had a Little Lamb, for real. And all the little piggies in them. But not for real, though. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit the bell for post notifications to be notified every time I post. Follow me on Instagram at iam.kyla. And add me on Snapchat at Kyla_Monae. And y'all, comment down below if I slayed the install or not. Because I know I did. Y'all, for real. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support. Tuning in. And y'all, this hair right here is bomb. It's the bomb diggity, okay? Okay.